U.S. President Donald Trump downplayed the significance of North Korea's weapons test over the past week, saying they did not break an agreement he has with the North Korean leader. On Friday local time, President Trump tweeted that although Pyongyang's testing of 3 short-range missiles over the past days could be a violation of UN resolutions, they did not undermine their Singapore summit agreement. He also added Kim Jong-un will not want to disappoint his friend, referring to himself, and that the North Korean leader was a smart person who will do the right thing. The tweet came a day after North Korea launched 2 short-range projectiles into the East Sea, which has yet to be identified.